Doing our TDS golden skincrate trial list create. Let's go. So first is they only have skins right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna choose Palo because it's the best skincrate. Wait. I'm gonna this. There. Now they put on the iris because it does not do anything. Now the crook boss goes on that the well, I can't put anything as usual. And now it goes on the with part. Now the golden cowboy is the worst right now because it can't give any money because they can scam life. Now for golden minigunner, the best tower. The golden cook boss is on the S list. Come on, I can't put anything as usual. And now the last is golden skull is gonna be on S list because that tower is so overpowered. Done. Now this is the end of the golden skin trial list.